G'day folks, this evening I'm down in the Lower Ovens River. I'm fishing for Murray cod with the bearded lady. Now, that's not the bearded lady, that's Lindsay. That is the bearded lady. This is Lindsay, this is Brendan, sorry. I didn't know either of these guys until about 15 minutes ago. And now we're going to go fishing and see if we can catch a cod on this sandbar.
Oh yeah.
Right, now before I go fishing, I didn't bring any lures with me. I bought my cod rod and this, which I think is a Tackle Club parcel. Who wants to film me opening this?
Righto, Robbie, let's go.
Lindsay from, what's your name of your YouTube channel, Lindsay?
664 Down Under.
That's it. If you cut my head off with this video, I will give you a written reference to join the Taliban because they're good at cutting people's head off. Right.
Righto, Robbie, let's go. What do we got?
No stuffing around.
What do we got?
We've got a bit of a mishap. I have bought my cod rod to go cod fishing on the assumption that this was a cod box. And folks, I've got the trout and redfin box. I'm going to have to use the Coolabong cod walker that's already on me rod. Look at that, I've got all these little minnows. I've got all these, if you know a bigger dickhead than me, then let me know. I'll tell you what I'm going to be doing. I'm going cod fishing tonight with these guys and I'm using a Coolabong cod walker. I am not using the Tackle Club cod box. Folks, after my little spaz and throwing all these lures in the air and finding a Tackle Club stubby holder and a couple of little lures, little trout lures, I actually found the cod box. It really was there the whole time. What was I thinking? Right, hang on, we're nearly in. In like Flynn. Righto folks, I'm going to keep this quick. Unboxings can be boring in cod videos. What have we got? We've got, now, I am only using the lures from this cod box in this video tonight. We've got some stickers. We've got some BB kickers from Big Bite Baits. Ooh. I've got a big blue yabby, a Chase Baits blue yabby. That could work. I might give that a crack. I reckon I could rig that weedless so that it doesn't get snagged. It's actually got a little, like a thing, a protector over, a guard over the hook here, so it doesn't get snagged. I can give that a crack. I just dropped one and it fell out of my hand, and that's the Big Bites jig heads that'll go with the those Big Bites soft plastics. I've got that's a spinner bait, time on target spinner bait. Oh, it's a Damiki spinnerbait with a couple of willow blades. I can give that a crack. And I've got this surface frog, which looks really cool. Spro. Gamagati Spro. So in this month's Tackle Club, there's this Gamagati Spro sports professional surface frog, which I've never even heard of before. I might give that a swim. I've got a Damiki spinnerbait. I've got a Chase Baits great big yabby with a guard on, a hook guard, so it doesn't get snagged. And I've got some big bite baits jig heads and Big Bite Baits soft plastics. I'm going cod fishing. And what else we got? Cameraman Lindsay from, what's your channel?
664 Down Under.
664 Down Under. I'll put a link to his channel at the end of this video. Has just picked up my Chase Baits sticker. You know what, I've done a couple of reviews on Chase Baits and I don't even know them. I wouldn't know the name of the guy that sells these, but I really like them. So that's why I've done the reviews, they're really cool. All right folks, now we're going fishing after a couple of mishaps and what I thought was a trout box being a cod box with a stubby holder and a couple of spinners in it and lures, and let's just go fishing. Rightio, this is what I'm starting off with tonight. I set out and I thought I'm only going to use what's in the cod box. For a moment there I didn't think I had a cod box. Right, this is the Chase Baits yabby. Now this thing here is a bit of a guard. That guards that hook from getting snagged and helps it come through the snags. They don't always work. You will still get snagged with guarded hooks like that, but it does help prevent getting snagged. I'm going to start off with that. That's a soft plastic. It's nice and blue, and I'm going to see if I can pick up a cod on that. I like Chase Bait stuff. There's weight under here. The hardest thing about using this Chase Bait by a mile is getting it out of the packet. It took me about 5 minutes. This is going to test the snag ability of the yabby. Can I get it through those logs without it snagging up? How well does that snag guard work? Huh. It's come through. Look at that. It came through all them snags. Never snagged up once. Rightio, the old chase bait's yabby. Swims very well, sinks nice and fast. Will be very good next to big logs and stuff. But tonight it didn't work for me, so I'm going to take him off. Look at that, I've totally butchered this package trying to get into this yabby. I'll see if I can unbutcher it and put it back in. I'll give the yabby a rest. I'm going to put him there for future trips. I'm going to go with this Spro, Sports Professional, some kind of a frog. I'll give that a crack and see how it goes. It's jet black with red eyes, I like that. Oh, look at that, and when you can see the hooks are embedded in there, so it's kind of snagless. When a fish hits it, it'll bite down on that, set the hooks and get hooked up. It's actually got a double hook, it's got 2 hooks. Let's see how that goes. That looks really cool. This looks really cool, this thing. You've got one, haven't you? Yeah. How cool does it look? Looks awesome. I'll be giving that a crack. Alright folks, it's time to start getting serious with the surface lure. Yamakatsu King Daddy Spro, it's called. And that's a great cast, right? Gee whiz, casts very well this lure. Which is good because it means, oh, that's better.
Oh yeah, that was in the...
That's out in the fish zone. Righto folks, I think that's about day 5 or 6 of catching the cod for me. The cod drought hasn't broken, but these blokes didn't catch any either. But they did not long before I got here. Late this afternoon, a bit of a bite window opened up. Brendan got a 67 centimetre Murray cod on a number 2. Was it number 2 or number 1?
Number 2.
Number 2 green stump jumper. Lindsay got a 45 centimetre Murray cod. What was yours on?
Number 2, mate. Natural.
Number 2 stump jumper.
Natural green.
It was a case of me getting here a little bit too late, I think. But folks, we've just had the best time. It's been so good to catch up with these really nice guys. We've had a fish, a swim, opened the tackle club box, played with a few different lures. It's just been fantastic. But somebody needs to tell the fish how good it is so that they come next time. Thanks very much for watching. If you've liked this video, I want to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. And hopefully I'll catch a fish then too.